The first package that I got, that's the first package I'm gonna open. I still have some stuff to get. This set of onesie, a set of diaper. Abrish, I'm gonna go and write on the board. Go. Go write your name. Go. Go write Abriana. You write Abriana, I give you a surprise.
Okay.
Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and with this unboxing, I'm going to be unboxing stuff from my baby's registry. The first package that I got, that's the first package I'm gonna open. This is the first package that was purchased, and it is this. It's the crib set, the bedding for the crib, and this one is from Janice, my friend. So thank you, Janice, for this package. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them because I'm supposed to do the laundry.
I'm writing for that.
Go and show Daddy. Good job. Show
And
Daddy.
if we got air right there.
Go and show Daddy.
You.
So this is it. This is the bedding. Wait. This will be a surprise. And so this package is from my husband's boss, Mr. Zachary. So you got this set of onesie, a set of diaper, and some wipes. Abriana, give me the diapers.
Small one or a big one?
Yeah, bring me the small one. No, take it. Yeah, push it. Alright, make it stay. My daddy can't give me it. And from the baby's granite, which is Charlotte, I got these. So some onesie, some outfit. Put that on her. Some more onesies. Why the camera looks so dark? And she also got some diapers. So where's the next diaper? This one is from Arnella, and she got some hats and mittens. So these are some hats and mittens. She has some more stuff that she got. It's not yet here, but because I'm going to do the laundry, I'm going to go ahead and start this stuff out. I got this one from Crystal. Yes. I already got it. So this one is from Crystal, and I got some more hats and mittens. Yes. You find it? Yes. This is also from Crystal, a humidifier. And this one is also from Crystal. So and these are some wipes. So I still have some stuff to get. Those haven't arrived yet. And I also have a box of diapers over there from the baby's Granand Shernit. So these are all that I got from my baby registry thus far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you later.
Bye.